Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel y'all. Annyeong, chesht, and g'day y'all. So what have I got for you today's video? We've got a gadget review, and we are going to be doing a gadget review on this. This is the Amazon Echo Input. So this doesn't have any speakers built into it whatsoever. It is literally just the brains and the face with no voice, no nothing. So I have my little Bose color speaker here as well. And we're going to do a little unboxing on this and see how it works. So this is the bring Alexa to your own speaker. Alexa play, Alexa what's the news today, set a timer for 10 minutes, blah blah blah. Now the reason why I got this was for here in the garage, in the workshop, because sometimes I can't hear if the doorbell is ringing, if I don't have my iPad and you guys are on. When I'm doing my filming, I do the filming with the airplane mode on. So any calls or messages or anything don't interrupt the kind of like, could stop the filming, for example, when someone rings up, and if it's on silent, I wouldn't hear it. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. I just put the phone onto airplane mode. And so I thought this would be really good to connect up to the Sonos Play 5 that I have sitting over there, so that I can connect it up as the line in, and then I can sort of like hear if there are any if the doorbell rings or there's motion or anything at all, or I need to communicate in the house to Hubby Lux, then, you know, pester him for a cup of tea, then I can use this lovely and easily here in the garage. So anyway, without further ado, and without me waffling on anymore, I'm going to bring you guys really, really close, up above, looking down, and we're going to unbox this and take a look and see how it works. So I've got you guys propped up now so that you can see the packaging while I do the quick unboxing. I'm just going to have a sip of my lovely cup of tea. Needed. So let's unbox the item here. Let's remove the security seal, undo the box, pull it out. So you guys all know what the Amazon Alexa is, and I've done numbers of videos on it, but when I saw this one, the Echo Input, I was like, oh wow, that's a really good idea, because they're a lot cheaper, and if you've got your own speaker, you don't need to spend all that money on one. You can just buy this. So what do we get in the box? We have, I can see here, this is the audio cable, the double-ended male jack cable. Am I gonna have to destroy the box? Maybe not. Power cable. Oh wow, that's so dirty. Look at that. That's tiny. That looks like one of those giant cookies. It just looks like a big cookie. Instructions and the plug. Now, I was hoping that because this was so small and didn't require much power. Oh, actually, no, that's fine. Yes, I can use it. Gilligan, sit down, stop playing, messing around. This is good because I can just plug this into a USB port rather than having to use it into the main. So that's really good. You don't have to use that, which is good. Because on the power supply bank thing I have over there, it's got like 6 or 7 inputs for USB, so that's brilliant. So I can use that. But for the purposes of the video for now, I am going to bring over the external power cable, and I'm going to use this just for the minute. So let me break the seal on that. Millie, Gilligan, sit down, quick. Whoosh. Soon as you start the camera, they're naughty. Right, let's plug this end in here. And there's the sound output and the power in there, the micro USB. Just make sure I'm putting that in the right way. Yes, so there we go. That is in there now. Let me plug it in. Okay, so we have power. That's lit up at the top. So the next thing I have to do is to connect this to a speaker. So at the back of it there, plug the audio out, and then I'm going to plug the audio in the back of my little Bose Color and switch it on and put it on auxiliary. Make sure the volume is up. Okay, so
Hello. To continue, download the Alexa app. Hallo. Laden Sie die Alexa-App herunter, fortzufahren.
Bonjour. Pour commencer, téléchargez l'application Alexa.
Ciao. Per continuare, scarica l'app Alexa.
Scarica Alexa.
Para continuar, descarga la app Alexa.
Descarga para Alexa. Right, okay, so we got the power in. We know that it is working because she is speaking in all the languages to tell me. And the little Alexa cookie is sitting there. What I need to do now is to get my iPad, which I forgot, like a complete numpty, and then we can set it up. So I'm going to pop you on pause a second and I'm going to go get my iPad. Okay, you guys, I am back. I've got my iPad, so I'm just going to log in. This is not a how-to on the app. This is basically just a first look. It's a nice little short video for you guys today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Alexa app. If you want to watch any videos on how to set it up, you can either take a look back at mine, or there's a million videos on how to set up the Alexa. I bore you guys enough. Right, okay, I'm into the Alexa app. I'm going into devices, and it's already, oh, that's camera. Add a device. So what am I setting up? I'm setting up Amazon Echo. Echo input. So there we go, just clicked on Echo input. When the light on your Echo device turns from blue to orange, it is in setup mode. Okay, so I click on the device, set up your Wi-Fi network, which is that one there. So it's connecting the Echo input to Wi-Fi. It says here it might take a few minutes. Your Echo input
Your device is ready.
is now connected to Wi-Fi. Tap to continue to begin customizing your experience. So press continue. Make sure your speaker is connected to the mains and the volume is turned up. To control the volume of your Echo input, just say what's the name and set the volume. So Alexa, volume level 10. Okay, so she seems to be. There's two other options on here as well, which is connect auxiliary cable, connect Bluetooth speaker. So, oh, does this mean this is Bluetooth? Really? No, is it? Is this Bluetooth? I don't know. Actually, that might be a good idea. Let me unplug the input cables. Let me put this speaker back onto Bluetooth and let me put it in pairing mode. So I'm just going to hold down the button. Pair. So it says ready to pair, so I'm just looking to see what's going to come up. I did not realize this had Bluetooth. That is fantastic. That's a heck of a lot easier. Well, for me anyway. Yep, it's there. Bose Color Sound Link. It is there.
Connected to Echo 0NN.
Okay, I'm just going to make sure the volume is up high. Alexa, volume level 10. Okay, let's see if she works. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the biscuit go to hospital?
I don't know.
Because he felt crummy.
Millie! Sit down! Whoosh! So there we go. Naughty Dogs, and I did not realise that. Let's have a look on the box. It doesn't say that it's got Bluetooth. Oh, it does on the side, on the very side there. It says Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, and separate speaker required. So that is brilliant, because now I can just have that one little dot. I can have that anywhere plugged in. And this speaker, which I use out here sometimes as well, I don't think, no, unfortunately the Play 5 is not Bluetooth, unfortunately, but never mind. Anyway, this normally stays out here, so I can keep this out here on charge and just turn it on and off. So Alexa, what's the date today?
It's Wednesday, the 8th of May.
Alexa, how old are you?
In human years, I'm 4, but I think AI years are marked by nanoseconds, which makes me about a squillion.
A zillion. Oh, she's so funny. Okay, back on the computer, on the app, it says there, for best experience, a notification will be sent to this phone if a speaker becomes disconnected from your Echo input or is unresponsive. If you don't want to receive notifications, go to settings. I will have notifications on for that. Where is your Echo input? It is create a customized name. Okay, and I'm going to call it Studio, and continue. Alexa, connect to Ring doorbell. Alexa, Ring doorbell.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Whoosh. Alexa, open Ring doorbell.
Do you mean Ring?
Yes. Yes.
Ring is already enabled. To manage your settings, go to the Smart Home section of your Alexa app.
Okay, so there we go. Fantastic. She's all set up now, so if there was motion detected or somebody does ring the doorbell, this will tell me that there is either motion at the doorbell or there is somebody at the front door. So we're done and dusted. There's welcome to Echo Input. This short video will take you through blah blah blah. Where's the skip button? So the setup on this is very, very simple. I love it. And I will keep this spare audio cable just in case I need to. And I'm going to put this now over on the other side of the workshop over there and have it plugged into the USB connectors on it, so it'll stay on all the time. But yeah, absolutely love it. That is so cool. If you wanted a little discreet kind of Alexa, and you already, sorry, ignore that, and you already have the
no need to apologize.
that's okay, and you have your apps or wherever. Sorry, if you're, what am I saying? Should I just shut the video up now because I'm talking rubbish? It's really handy for me in the workshop because I didn't want another speaker, because I've already got the Sonos one out here and this little Bluetooth one, so I didn't need that. So I can just leave this here plugged in and it will be fine. So there we go. Fantastic. Highly recommend this. Really, really good if you just want Alexa, good afternoon.
Good evening.
then this will be really handy for you. It is literally the size of a giant Viscount biscuit. So thank you very much for watching. Nice little quick one for you today. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys very soon on the next episode. Bye y'all.